Hi, you're looking for an affordable helmet? Because here at Bikester Global, we care about your safety. And so we keep the best of the best. Speaking of the best, here's 5 helmets you as a biker can buy for under 5,000 rupees. Let's go. Number 5, the axis segment. With the axis segment, you get a DOT certification, which also stands for the US Department of Transportation. And if you're looking for a budget under 3,000 rupees, this one is the perfect pick for you. The axis segment is a perfect choice for daily commuting or even touring if you have a specific budget in mind. The only downside though, it doesn't come with a dual visor. So if you're looking for a helmet with a dual visor under the budget of 5,000 rupees, here's our next pick for you. Now for number 4, the Korda Tourance. Let's check this one out. So this one right here comes with a dual visor. It is ECE certified and it comes with a sharper design and better aerodynamics for you to work with. And now for number 3 on our list, the MT Hummer. So this model right here is much lighter than the average helmet and it's got better weight distribution. So when you're riding it, you don't even feel the weight on your head. Plus it's got a variety of colors for you to choose from, so you can get your pick. And now with our number 2 pick, the Axor Apex. This one right here comes with a dual visor as well, just like the Korda. It's got its own pin lock and it's got a striking design and its own special spoiler at the back for you to pick higher speeds. And it's much safer as well. And now for our final pick, number 1, the LS2. The LS2 FF352 may not come with a dual visor, but it does have incredible build quality. Also, this helmet is ECE 2206 certified and it also comes with its quick release. The price to performance ratio of this helmet is also the best in its range. So these are our top picks for you as a biker who's looking for a helmet under the range of 5,000 rupees. If you want, you can check out our links in the description. You're going to find all of them there. If you want to check these helmets out in person, you can check out our Malad or our Santacruz outlet, and the links for these locations will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.